Hello everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Little homestead beautification today. I got the rest of the wood piles moved out of here. The wheelbarrow is all the sand we pulled out of the holes for the fence posts. I've got some solar path lights I'm reviewing, and so I just finished cleaning up all the, well, you can see where the rest of the wood was. Clean all that up. I got 2 posts in today so I can start my rose arbor, and I put in some more fence. I'm missing a piece because it fell down and I thought it wasn't going anywhere, so I put it away. But we're almost to the tractor now, and I needed to finish another section of fence so I can get the rest of those solar path lights in. But I am loving this, the way this is gonna look. There's the rose arbor. I don't know if I have time yet today. I want to saw out some lumber to frame that in loosely for now and strengthen everything and square up the posts. But we will have flowers along the fence and path lights a little ways out from that on both sides. And then that's dead center, and that'll be a beautiful little rose arbor. I really hope to saw that out today, but I don't know. I still got to get gravel and drop them in the holes, and then we'll see how it goes. Let me take you over and show you what else we cleaned up. I say we because that was a group effort. Now the back fence line is coming along beautifully. I got this here I've got to finish slabbing out. That's going to be a job. I got some greenhouse windows for a greenhouse I want to work on. Everything else is neatly on pallets, including my machines and equipment over here. I gotta I'm gonna probably take that tire off, slide an axle under that just to move it around, and then I can roll it out of here, because I really want to use that over on the wood pile and get it cleaned up, get it running, and use it over by the wood pile. We've got everything neatly along the fence line now on pallets, everything on pallets. Everything neatly lined up, everything neatly put away, and everything out of our yard. So I'm seriously hardcore committed to cleaning up the property right now. This is some stuff I'm going to slab out, but we neatly put it here on pallets. And you can see I haven't even used that much of the fencing. I am so happy. Out of a $10 batch, those 3 sections plus all of that was only $10. And I've been using all of that, and I still have that much left. Neatly got some boards stickered here, and that's the rest of the boards I dug out to finish the back section over here. And I still got to get gravel in. Those posts are not in yet. They're in, but they're not secured. And we stickered the big slabs. I did find out what this is. It's slippery elm. It is elm, but it is absolutely beautiful inside. And I need to get some latex paint and paint those ends, these far ends, before they start splitting on me. So I really want to get that protected. And then I'm going to put some more boards along the edges so that it doesn't dry too fast and crack. I want it to slow dry so it doesn't get messed up on me. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but they sure are beautiful. And then all our pallets from now on are going to be in the corner, right next to where I need them for stickering wood. So everything's nice and neat and orderly and up by the fence, out of the way, and we're cleaning up our property. I just got that for weight on there because this end was up a little. I need good heavy weight on these as they dry. I didn't record this because I didn't think it would work. I just pulled it off with ease. Okay, it's not huge, it's 6 foot. I just pulled it off with the log tongs and a chain, and it rolled right off beautifully, right off the trailer. Well, guys, that's what it's all about. That is incredible. I got a mess of 1x3s and a couple 2x3s, and I still got a whole lot to resaw. I've got, how many do I got to resaw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces to resaw. And I just did, oh, I don't even know how many I got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I did 6. I just cut 6 pieces into 2x3s. I got 8 pieces more to resaw. And those are wider too, so that is gonna be enough wood for my rose arbor. Really happy. I didn't record it because I just wanted to knock it out. I'm late for dinner. I really wanted to knock that out. But I am incredibly happy. That is, I took a lot of dead wood off, and I was worried. I did not think it was going to be any good. You know, it doesn't get much worse than that. That's almost compost right there. And that went in pretty deep. All right, so I was worried. But when I sawed that chunk off, I was like, oh wow, I could have actually almost got another board out. Well, ants had been in it. They did their job. But what I like about poplar is it gets a fungus inside that makes a beautiful bunch of streaks and lines in it. Gives it some character. I like that. Some people don't. But anyway, that's happiness right there. So it's too late today, but I'll start the rose arbor then tomorrow. Now, yeah, that's a wormhole. Now I only need, this is a 6 foot wide, and I only need 4 foot. So where there is excessive worminess or excessive soft spots, that'll be cut off. That won't hurt a thing at all. So I'll get my lumber out of it that I need. Well, guys, please like this video. Subscribe if you haven't. Say bye to Michelle. You never know what's coming to the homestead tomorrow. This is another day done. Bye. Bye.